On December 26th, by the grace of God, I'll be bringing a high school teacher who is also a school trustee to educate you and I about the blueprint to college success. APs, SATs, scholarships. Aha, you heard scholarships. Parents love that. And the future of our student. This will be a transformative and timely conversation designed especially for parents with children in the American school system, including immigrant parents who may not have gone through the US or the American high school themselves and are seeking clarity, guidance, and confidence in navigating this complex landscape. I bet you that this episode is going to empower lots of families with the knowledge that they need to support their children's academic journey and unlock the opportunities they deserve. And the guest speaker for my next show about this topic with the education will be Rowena Samuels. Rowena Samuels is a respected high school science teacher. Rowena Samuels brings a blend of academic excellence, professional expertise, and lived experience, and she's a devoted parent. She's been a high school science teacher since 2018. She is a former software engineer. She has a bachelor's in chemical engineering from the university in the Philippines. She's a passionate traveler like Ajay who loves to explore new places, and she loves traveling with her family. Her insight bridges education, technology, parenting, and the immigrant experience, making her the perfect voice for this vital information. And like you all know, I, Her Excellency, Hajia Queen Amina Abike Jimo, will be the host, the founder of the Amina Jimo Foundation AJF, and the founder of the Amina Jimo Show AJS. A visionary leader, ambassador, humanitarian, voice for the voiceless, and advocate for educational empowerment across global communities. I bring grace, wisdom, leadership, and a high-value presence to every conversation, creating a global platform where knowledge transforms lives and families rise. I already told you this is going to be another powerful episode. It will guide parents through understanding APs and honors classes, SATs, state testings, and what colleges prioritize, building strong academic profiles, navigating scholarships, preparing your children for a successful future in and beyond high school. Whether you're a parent, guardian, educator, or community leader, this episode will equip you with clarity, confidence, and real tools for success. A production of the Amina Jimo Foundation. Thank you for watching me, and do not forget, you can be the change that you want to see in your society. And do remember, when we ask you to give us a thumbs up or to share the videos, it's so that other people can benefit from watching all of this awareness, because when you click on the thumbs up, it gives other people signal to watch it. And also when you share it, other people would know about this foundation and get free awareness from things that we do, that we offer for free to the society that other people collect money to educate people for. Love you and thank you again, and God bless you.